how to lock folders in Windows 11 without any software. So in order to lock your folders, firstly visit the link that we have put in the description. The link looks something like this, and after this, copy the command that is here, and after that, go to any folder containing files. Here, create a new text document, and I will open it, and I'm gonna paste it, and from here, rename your password characters, and this is going to be a password. But now I'm gonna select FFF123, and I am going to save it as auth.bat here, batch file, and close it, and delete the notepad, and double click on the batch file, and you will see a private folder created here. Now you can move these files under private, and double click on the private again, and click Y, and now the folder is hidden. So in order to make the folder visible again, double click on the batch file, and from now enter the password that you had created, and you will see the private folder here. And in this way you can hide folders or lock folders in Windows 11 without any software. But the method is really fragile, and anyone with this trick can easily look at your password if they search for it, and here it is your password, and this one is not going to work further. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.